Hello there, my name is Ismail. So today we're going to be doing something different on this channel. We're not going to be using Blender. We're going to be using Unreal Engine. Basically what I'm going to be doing in this tutorial series, because it's going to be uh, a part series, what we're going to be doing is recreate this scene here in Unreal Engine. Let me make sure that I bring back the grass. Yeah, we're going to be recreating this scene here. Let me go to shading in Unreal Engine to see how it would look there, since they use the same render engine, or they use the same Blender EV's render engine works in the same way as Unreal Engine works. So I want to experiment and see how this would work in Unreal Engine, and this would give people an opportunity, those people, anyone who wants to learn Unreal Engine, an opportunity to learn the basics and see how to set up the materials and everything, importing things from Blender and putting them together in Unreal Engine. Yeah, so we're going to do this and see how it goes. The reason I'm doing this is that Blender EV, since the introduction of Blender EV into Blender, I think Blender has become very, very powerful in that you don't really have to wait hours and hours to preview your final project. Let me make sure this is recording properly. So because of Blender EV, you can easily see what you're doing without having to wait hours of render time. So I thought to myself that since this is a new feature in Blender, other programs that have had it for a while must be more mature than what we're seeing it than how we're seeing it in Blender. So I went to Unreal Engine and experimented, watched a few tutorials to see how it works, and just to compare the two renderers and see the kind of results we will get. So yeah, let's dive in and start creating this scene. So yeah, this is part 1, and let's go to part 2 and start exporting this project into Unreal Engine.